Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson 16, odd one out. So the question is given here, find the odd figure from the given set of figures. Here some figures are given to you. What you have to do is you have to just select the different figure and you have to put a tick mark on that option. Okay, so first one is A pattern, B pattern, C pattern and D pattern. So the different one is C. So put a tick mark on the C pattern. Now next one is second. A, B, C and D. So D pattern is different one. So you have to put a tick mark on the D option. Now third one, A, B, C and D. So here also B is different figures, so you have to put a tick mark on the B option. Now fourth one, A, B, C and D. So here A option figure is different, so put a tick mark on the A option. Now fifth one, A, B, C and D. In that C option is different, so you have to put a tick mark on the C option. Now sixth one, A, B, C and D. In that B option is different, so you have to put a tick mark on the B option. Now seventh one, A, B, C and D. In that C option is different, so you have to put a tick mark on the C option. Now eighth one, A, B, C and D. So here you have to put a tick mark on the D option because it is a different one, it is a odd one. Okay students, so let us move to our next lesson, that is lesson 17. 4 hours of managing waste. So let us read the question first. We should have a clean and healthy environment. This can be done by following 4 hours. Okay, so let us read 4 hours. First one is refuse. Do not buy anything you do not require. Okay. Now second one is reduce. Use anything only as much as required. This will help to reduce garbage generation and keep the environment clean. Now next, reuse. Use everything to its maximum. This requires you to use the reusable things again and again. Fourth one, recycle. Do not throw away the things you no longer need. Rather, give them to rag pickers who would take them away for recycling. Means we have to use the things again and again. Okay, if it is possible. Now here 3 pictures are given. Let us read. For protection of environment. Okay, if we have to save the environment, so what things we have to do for it, let us read. First one is say no to plastic bags. Okay, we should not use plastic bags. So what we have to use? We have to use cloth bags, paper bags or jute bags should be used. Next, sort your garbage. Biodegradable waste should be kept separate from the non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Now next one, don't burn your garbage. We should not burn our garbage. Biodegradable waste items can be converted into manure through composting. Okay students, so this was your 17th lesson. Just you have to read this lesson. Let us move to next lesson, that is lesson 18, top flyers. Pictures of some of the fastest flying birds in the world are given below along with their respective average speeds. Identify the birds with the help of clue box. Okay, here some pictures are given of some birds which fly fast. Okay, so first picture is of mallard. In the blank you have to write MALLARD, mallard. Okay, its speed is 58 kilometer per hour. Okay, second picture is of oyster catcher. So here you have to write oyster catcher. Its speed is 58 kilometer per hour. Now third picture is of barnacle goose. So its speed is 72 kilometer per hour. Now fourth picture is of wood pigeon. Its speed is 61 kilometer per hour. Now fifth picture, peasant. Its speed is 48 kilometer per hour. Next, common crane. Its speed is 61 kilometer per hour. Now seventh picture is of Bewick's swan. So its speed is 68 kilometer per hour. Now eighth one, white fronted goose. Okay, its speed is 54 kilometer per hour. Now let us read, did you know? Mallards are the most common ducks of the northern hemisphere. Pheasant is a large long-tailed game bird native to Asia. Okay students, so you have to complete the fill in the blanks with the names of the birds. So now we will move to our next lesson, that is lesson 19, authors and characters. Let us start. Some famous fictional characters are given below. Write the name of the books in which they appeared as well as the authors who created them. Choose your answer from the clue box. Okay, here some pictures are given of authors. You have to write the name of the books and author's name. Okay, so let us start with the characters, name of the books and authors. So first one is Adam. Okay, name of the books, in that you have to write Paradise Lost, and author name is John Milton. Second one, Antonio. Okay, Merchant of Venice. Author name is Shakespeare. Now third one, Angel Clare. So the name of the books is Tess of the Urbervilles. So author's name you have to write Thomas Hardy. Next, Perry Bezukhov. So name of the books, in that you have to write War and Peace. And author's name you have to write Leo Tolstoy. Next, Jim Hawkins. Treasure Island, R.L. Steven. Next, sixth one, Wilkins Micawber. And name of the books column you have to write David Copperfield. And in authors column you have to write Charles Dickens. Now seventh one, Rip Van Winkle. So name of the books you have to write Rip Van Winkle. And author column you have to write Washington Irving. Next, Huckleberry Finn. So name of the books he has written Adventures of Tom Sawyer. And in authors column you have to write Mark Twain. Next, ninth one, Sherlock Holmes. Here you have to write in the name of the books column Sherlock Holmes series. And in authors column you have to write A. Conan Doyle. Next, Mephistopheles. Name of the books is Faust. And in authors column write J.W. von Goethe. Okay students, now let us move to our lesson 20, language talk. Some questions related to languages are given below. How many of them can you answer? Okay, so first one is, which of these languages is written by in the Cyrillic alphabet? Okay, which is the language which is written in Cyrillic alphabet? So here four options are given for you students. First one is Turkish, Italian, Greek and Russian. So the correct answer is Russian. So you have to put a tick mark on the D option. Next question. Sanskrit is an ancient language used in one Asian country. Which one? Okay. So here also 4 options are given. India, Pakistan, Thailand or China. So the correct answer is India. So you have to put a tick mark on the A option. Now third one. If you go to Brazil, which language would you speak? Okay. So here 4 options are given for you. First one is Italian, second one is Portuguese, third one is Spanish and the last one is French. So B option is correct. So you have to put a tick mark on the B option. Now fourth one, in which continent is Swahili spoken? So here also 4 options are given. Africa, Australia, Europe, South America. Okay, so put a tick mark on the A option, that is Africa. Now fifth question, which language do a majority of the Iranians speak? So here 4 options are given for you. First one is Urdu, second one is Persian, third one is English and the fourth one is Hindi. So here B option is correct, Persian. So put a tick mark on the B option. Now sixth one of the most famous poets of ancient times was Homer. In which language did he write Iliad and Odyssey? Okay, so here also 4 options are there. First one is Latin, second one is Greek, third one is Hebrew and the fourth one is Arabic. Okay, so here B option is correct, that is Greek. Now seventh one, the United Nations has 6 official languages. 5 of them are French, Russian, Spanish, Arabic and Chinese. Which is the 6th? Okay, so here 4 options are there for you. Option A is Portuguese, second one is English, third one is Japanese and the fourth one is German. So the correct option is English. So put a tick mark on the B option. Now eighth one, in Hindu mythology, who is said to have founded the Sanskrit language and the Devanagari script? Okay, so here 4 options are there. First one is Narad Muni, second one is Saraswati, third one is Vishnu and fourth one is Shiva. So you have to put a tick mark on the B option, that is Saraswati. Now ninth one, Urdu is read in a way different from that of Hindi and English. How is it read? So 4 options are there. A, top to bottom, B, bottom to top, C, left to right and D, right to left. So the correct answer is D. So put a tick mark on the D option. Now last question. What is a Burs-Tropendon script? A, read from left to right, B, read from top to bottom, C, read from bottom to top and D is read from left to right and right to left alternatively. Okay, so here D option is correct. So put a tick mark on the option D. Okay student, so this much only for today's class. Till then, take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you students.